What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you what I got for suspension. Okay, if you wanna get these kind of wheels with these tires, okay, this is the specs: 33 by 12.5, and then the wheels XM Stream. The tires, mock terrain. So yeah, I did some modifications because it was rubbing, of course. So you can barely see. I got this little piece right there, and hope you guys can see it. This thing is plastic, so not too bad. So you not even notice, right? So for the bigger tires, I don't know if you're gonna cut even more. I'm not sure about that. Let me show you the leveling kit. This is 1-inch spacer. Goes into the lower control arm to the shock or strut. So that's another one. Shock from factory. Right. I don't know if you can see. Now the spacer on the top is 2 inches, and I got spacer on the bottom which is 1 inch. Let me see if I can show you the spacer on the top. It is right here, the 2-inch spacer. So 2 inches on the top, 1 inch on the bottom. Right here was the factory plus 4 inches. So it looks good. Let me show you what the spacer for the back. Right here, there's the spacer. So spring. That's a 2-inch spacer. There's the other one. I don't know if you can see it, but it's right there. So 2 inches spacer, original shocks. So you don't have to, buy expensive. Lift kits. I don't know. Well, if you can afford, you guys can go ahead. But for me, it's good. Some people is gonna like it. Some people don't. This is my opinion. With these 33s, muddy tires, whatever. So. It's about 3 inches, sticking out. So for the wheel specs, it's a -9 or 12. I'm not sure. So this is what it looks. What you think? Maybe this leveling key works for you or not? Just let me know in the comment down below. Subscribe, of course. I don't have the video to when I was installing the spacers, but it was difficult. Yeah, it was difficult. But I'm gonna start doing more videos like that. Well, maybe not right now because the coronavirus and everything. Maybe in the future. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. See you next video.